Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Monday, July 11th, just at the close of New York here. Let's get right into it with micro oil. Not a ton of movement in our markets today in terms of breaking out. In terms of oil, we did open well below the close from Friday, had that initial buying, and they decided to hold in this area for quite some time, and then 30 minutes before lunch, they decided to break out higher and then couldn't get any farther ahead. So we are closing net down from Friday. As far as gold goes, we also opened towards that lower end of the range, well below the close from Friday. So close Friday is around here. Sideways initial movement, came up to it, and then sellers kicked in, and we closed net down yet again in gold. Now our equities had some initial movement in the opening, but other than that, it was just a lot of ping pong bouncing back and forth on the initial balance. Not really any expansion anywhere, but we had resistance hit on that HVA edge here in the micro ES after we opened below the close. Some move up and then down, making some new lows for the day, getting outside of that range. And then just, you can see here, just staying in this area for quite some time. These levels, these HVA levels, that it is responding around in terms of support and resistance, tremendously holding that area and that value area, and up top as well. Yet again, just not able to break out from this range for the whole day. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 or so bounces at those extremes, much more in between. Remember, these levels were drawn the night before the next day's trading endeavor. So this means that these levels were drawn Sunday morning because it was a weekend in preparation for the session opening Sunday night. So oil still net down, gold net down, ES net down. Now the NASDAQ, similar story of the ES, just not getting much expansion from that original move, but it did have some more movement than the ES did, initially opening right on that edge and then fighting it for a good 5 minutes before those sellers kicked in. You can see they just took it down here, and finally the buyers decided to react. Had a good response there. Had definitely some responses around here in that area of the NASDAQ for the shorts. Some here as well. And then again, they were just locked into that initial period of the first 30 minutes. They couldn't get outside of that range. And that's a Monday for you. Just not really moving too much. But again, these levels held tremendously. If you are interested in finding out more information about the levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before your next day's trading endeavor, or how to trade futures per our methodology here at Target Trading Academy, feel free to reach out to us. Again, like I just said, we are Target Trading Academy. You can find our page on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with a representative there, and they'll gladly show you what we do each day on the daily, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.